Hi, thanks for coming back to the Maker's Cave. I'm Steve, and today we're going to continue with our Eleanor build. This is going to be kits 19, 20, 21, and 22. 19 is another seat. 20, we get to start on the somewhat of the chassis. This looks like it might be the front of the chassis. And 21 and 22 are two individual kits, but they look like they're the gas tank. So I don't know why they split it up like that. You think it would all be one. So let's break out the screws as usual, and then we'll bring you guys in and we'll start assembling. Okay, so we're going to start with kit 19. Looks like we're going to be putting together some seats. All right, so we take the seat back and we're going to put in this chrome insert, which gives it the chrome edging around the seat. That kind of just press fits right in. But they do want us to use two PS05 screws. 4 PS05 screws here, 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 and here. 4 of them. This is going into plastic, so we don't need the rapid tap. Okay, that's in. That is 19. And the last step we have for 19 is putting this in, the front of the seat, which by the way is like a soft rubberish, give that feel of a pleather seat that you had. And it just snaps into place. There are 2 posts in here that meet up, so it's fairly easy. And there you go. One seat completed. We'll put that up here, out of the way. And now we are on to, 20. The chassis. We get to do the rear part of the chassis. In this kit, 20. Talk about a Model Ts. Okay, so kit 20 says, we're going to work on the chassis. And that's it. That's it for 20. I'm showing you. Here's all that's all you got to do for 20. And then the next one is kit 21, which is the gas tank. So we will bring that out. This is the bottom. Yeah, in case you heard that, this chassis is all metal. All right. And again, that's all you do, is you just take this out of the package and you're on to 22. Oh no, I'm sorry, I lied to you. So 21, we took it out of here. Here it is. And now we actually install this onto the chassis. Like here. And it fits onto here. Alright, so that's it for 21.1 and 21.2. We fit it onto the chassis. And 21 is complete. Okay. And then 22 is obviously, it's going to be the other half of the fuel tank. Take this out. This is the top part of the fuel tank. So it now wants us to orient the model like this. And it goes, fits right onto here. There's with the dry fit. That's what it looks like, dry fitted. And they get held in with a PS05 screw. We haven't had to do any mods in the last couple of videos. Everything's just been a straight up build, which I got to admit is kind of nice. This is going to be our shortest video ever, because I think that's it. It is. So, wow. 19, 20, 21, and 22 are done. I got all excited thinking we were going to do more with the chassis, but all we did is put the fuel tank in, and we got a seat done. Thought it was coming up, and it wasn't. Okay, so that's it for this one. Well, thanks for joining me along on this build of our Eleanor Mustang from Eaglemoss. If you have any comments or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when more come out. I'll have links below to everything that I did today, any tools or any mods I did, and I'll have a link to the Eaglemoss site. So if you want to start building this or some of their other kits, which I highly encourage, the link will be below for you to follow. Until next time, thanks for stopping by the Maker's Cave. I'm Steve. I'll see you at the next build.